real estate litigation lawyer helping residents in Rhode Island. Avoid litigation by hiring the right real estate attorney for your real estate transaction. We are your real estate transaction attorneys and real estate litigation attorneys. The process of buying, selling, or developing real property is one of the most complex areas of the law, as they involve old common law and modern secured transaction, as well as lending regulations. If you are a buyer, seller, land developer, condominium association, or anyone who is embroiled in a real estate dispute or would like to take prosecution to avoid conflict, our real estate litigation lawyers can work with you to ensure your money and property rights are adequately protected against adverse parties and claims. On paper, purchasing real estate seems like a relatively straightforward transaction. Make an offer, wait for acceptance, draft a contract, settle the deal, and exchange the money. However, each step of the purchase process represents a potential point of disagreement or misunderstanding. Our real estate transaction attorney. Now, how to help you avoid litigation? How Plumbo Law can help. Our real estate litigation attorney are adept at handling any problem that arise in the sale or purchase of a home or commercial property, including disputes occurring in the drafting and execution of a purchase and sales agreement, misrepresentation by the buyer or seller, problem with the title or survey, state and local regulation, compliance with zoning, audience, issue with the mortgage land, disagreement involving new home construction and implied or express warranties, boundary line dispute, adverse possession, and more. Whether you are a seller with misgiving about the purchase contract, a buyer with the question about title, or a developer in a dispute with your current residents, working with the real estate litigation attorney is the best way to avoid the overcome conflict in a cost effective manner. Real estate litigation. We are your real estate litigator or real estate attorney regularly are in court representing client in matter of complex real estate litigation, including adverse possession, boundary line dispute, statement litigation, landlord tenant litigation, and eviction of tenant, fire loss litigation, water damage litigation, mold litigation, property insurance loss litigation, tax sale litigation, including defense of tax sales and position to foreclose, the right of the repetition, quiet title action, judicial foreclosure litigation, lease litigation, probate litigation, trust litigation, elder abuse litigation, and all other type of real estate litigation. Our real estate attorney are skilled in reviewing the result of the title search and taking appropriate action to clear cloud on your title. A cloud on a title is a term referring to a potential claim or land interest by another party, which can result in the inability of a buyer or seller to settle the purchase contract. Bank and lending institution will generally not lend money for the purchase of a home if there appear to be an apparent cloud on the title. By working with a real estate litigation attorney, you can avoid or settle problem with adverse possessor, agriculture tenant, or creditor with judgment attached to the land.